Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. All right, I got a PR package from Born Pretty. I have not opened it at all, so let's dig in. I have it flipped upside down because I don't need you guys to see my address. Okay, so this stuff was already just like chosen because it's just new products that were coming out. So I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, there's 3 things in here? What? What? Oh my goodness. Okay, this, when I was looking at the items, this looks so freaking cool. It does this like wave effect. It's freaking amazing. What is this? Snug Fuzz. Oh, the fuzz gel polish. That's going to be interesting. And then this is a jelly gel dancing flake. Okay. This is the remover, I believe. Yes, a nail glue remover. Mild and acetone-free. It's a 3-second removal, it looks like. Has vitamin E inside. So let's see. It says spray remover around and under the nail tip and weight, then gently lift edge with a tool to create a gap. Spray more remover, wait for glue to dissolve, and then carefully remove the tip. Okay, and it says this has a 2-year shelf life. And this is 20 milliliters. Just a little spray bottle. So that's cool. And then when it says to use a tool, probably something like this, so you can just kind of go and get under there. This is a new nail glue. A nail tip glue. It says it's odorless. That's nice. This is a 7 milliliter. It's an air dry. And this also has a 2-year shelf life. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients in it. Oh, I didn't think it was going to be a brush. Oopsie daisies. Let me, before that starts to set in over here. Whoopsies. Okay. Now this is a 5D sculpting gel that needs to be UV or LED cured. It is at 8 milliliters. My fingers aren't working to get the package open. Oh my goodness. There you go. My fingers don't want to work. So this should have a nice little tip on it. Yes. So let me just... Oh, that's a nice thin... Can you see it right here? Yeah, you can see it a little bit. I'll have to think of some sort of a design to do with that. Okay, now let's get into these. I'm going to need a swatch. Come on. My trash can right next to me is always full, and so I'm throwing stuff in and it's literally just bouncing out of my garbage can onto the floor. Oh my goodness. Okay, so these are all 10 milliliters. Let's get this one open too. I just crack the lid on them now because it just makes it so much easier than trying to like find where it has the little tear parts in it to rip it open that way. And it still isn't wanting to work with me. Come on. So we have like 17 days of school left. Oh my gosh, dude. I am so over it, dude. I am so over school. I'm ready for summer. I'm especially over the homework. Oh my God, homework is so annoying. I'm over it. Let me get... Boom. Okay. Let's see what we got here. I feel like this is going to need to be put over a black, maybe. So this is Dancing Flake TS44. Oh, okay. It's like a nude. I didn't think it was going to be nude. I thought it was just going to be like a flaky. So let's see. It's definitely got some chunky glitters in it. It's a really pretty color. I don't know if you can see the shimmer in it too, but it's like a nude shimmer with some chunky, they look white, maybe even some pink in there, but that's actually a really pretty color. I don't think that my hand under it is helping. I feel like this is not pulling the color very well at all for you guys, but I promise you it's a really pretty color. I'm gonna have to grab one to do that one with too. And then this is the Snug Fuzz R02. It says it's a fuzz gel polish. I don't exactly know what that means, so I'm like, is it gonna look like a... Oh, okay, yep, okay. This, oh my gosh, sweater nails. Holy shit, guys. Yes, this is like gonna be a game changer for sweater nails. Do you see that? It literally looks like sweatery, like the fuzz on it. Like, can you see that? I don't know if it's pulling. Oh my gosh, that's cool. Okay. Now I need to grab, I don't want to do it on white because I think that's going to be white. Let me see. I need a blue. Perfect. So the first one I grabbed. So I'm going to do, I'm just going to use this one. This was from, I think, my last PR. This was Rhine Lake MY376. This one's a magnetic. I'm not going to use it for the magnetic purposes right now. I just want to get a blue so that we can make this look like water. God, I love this color. It's so gorgeous. All right, I'm going to cure these. I'll be right back. Okay, this has cured for a minute. So before I do a second coat on anything else, I already shook this. So I'm not sure how to use this. We're doing this together. I don't know if it's like a... Okay. Okay, yeah, it like spreads. And now it just looks like it's like foamy water. That's cool. Oh my gosh. So it's kind of similar to like a blooming gel. I mean, it says it's a Ocean Wave watercolor liquid. So, all right, that's cool. That's going to be really cool for people who do like beach or pool nails. So let's go ahead and do the second coat on these. And then we'll play with the 3D sculpting gel, which I'm not going to really sculpt anything per se. I'm just going to try to do like a 3D-ish design just to test it. I don't know if you can see it any better. Oh, you can see some of the chunks. And let's get this one again. Oh my gosh. Oh, do you see how cool that looks after being cured for a minute? Yeah, this is going to be really fun for like sweater nails. It's also giving like, if it was like a brown, I'm feeling like teddy bear. You guys see it? Like, oh my gosh. That's pretty. It's a pretty color too. Okay, I'm gonna cure those. Put my lids back on these before I knock it over and make a mess. And then does this say, this didn't really have directions on it. It just has the ingredients, which it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients. It doesn't have any other directions. So, yeah. All right. Now, with this, I'm just going to go 60 seconds for a completely dry. Okay. So trying to do a heart. Can you see it? Okay, I'm going to cure it. Those guys are all cured. Okay. And then for these, I'm not going to be putting press-ons on my nails right now, but I could probably put some tips on my my hand, my little nail practice hand. Like, what is it called? Oh my gosh, my brain, I'm telling you guys, I am so done with just school and trying to do all this, and my brain just is not working anymore. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to open. Trying to open a powder, and I'm like, I hope it didn't just get in my mouth. All right, I don't know if this is gonna work. I think we're gonna test it out though. I don't know if this leaves a sticky, what's it called? I can't think of what it's called. Like the sticky base. I don't know if it will like hold. Oh no, it doesn't. Okay. I guess it kind of is. It kind of held the green a little bit. I just didn't know if it was gonna have the what's it called, inhibition? No, is that right? No. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't know if it was gonna have the sticky residue to it. So it does not have a sticky residue, so that's good to know. It dries without being sticky. So that was what I wanted to test. I grabbed my powders. Okay. That is those. I have not top coated these. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and top coat these real quick. Okay, I'm gonna top coat the samples real quick, and then I'm gonna get my practice hand, so I'll be right back. Okay, let's see. Let's see. She's really dusty. I just spent a few minutes trying to clean her up, and she's so bad. Like, I need to wash her at the sink or something, because I'm gonna use the size that it says for this one. I feel like it's, I don't know. All right, me. I don't know if I roughed it up enough. Let's try it out. Okay. I didn't do a very good job on that one. I see some bubbles under it, but that's just a applicator error. I also think it's partially because of the way I roughed up the nail, because I can kind of see it before I'm even like laying it on. Okay. These are Model 1's tips that I just grabbed out too. They were just the ones that were on top in my drawer. It looks like I could have sized down on one of them, but that's all right. Okay. Tips are on. Cool, man. All right. So let's see. What if we just do like this and we'll just kind of play with, I'm not even going to base coat because I don't want to waste my base right now because I don't have a lot of base coat left. But I haven't used my practice hand in a while, in case you guys can't tell. It's been a hot minute. So my oldest has to pick up his cap and gown today. We graduate in a few weeks, and ugh, I am not ready. I mean, I am, but I'm not. Like, it's just crazy that he's a senior and getting ready to be an adult. He turns 18 just a couple days after graduation. All right, I'm going to go in with this blue again, and we're just kind of doing like a beachy type thing. That's what I'm going for. I'm not even really trying to worry about like blending it or anything. So we got beachy and water. This is just me trying to play with the colors really quickly and get a little feel for them. I'm going to go help in my kids' class today. I haven't been there in a couple weeks. I think the last time I went in his class to help was the last math test, and that was the last math test of the year, really, because now they're just back to like review stuff. So I won't do the second coat of this part with you guys, but I'll come back for the watercolor wave, ocean wave thing. Now, obviously, you could go in and ombre these together to make them even better, but I like having it just kind of like uneven and the way it is right now because the ocean isn't perfectly ombreed with the beach anyways, right? So, okay. I am going to cure, do a second coat, and come back and use this stuff with you guys. Okay, this is how it's looking right now. I actually think that this Dancing Flake color is really cool for sand because it has like the little chunks in it and it makes it look kind of like shells and stuff like that. It's actually pretty darn cool. All right. Let's put a little bit of this on just to see. And do I have to spread it? I think I do have to kind of spread it. Oops, there's a lot right there. Kind of like doing some out here, background. there's more coming in. This one is just kind of crashing out here. So this stuff air dries pretty quickly. But look, that's actually pretty cool looking. I mean, this was me doing a quick little thing, you know, just to demonstrate. But if I was actually like really planning an actual real nice beach one where I like was doing different shades of blue, you know, like a shallow and a deeper and then like really deep water, this would be really cool in between like the layers of or in between like the depths of the water. Really cool. Awesome. Thank you so much to Born Pretty. I really appreciate your generosity. If anybody is interested in trying any of these products, I will have them linked in my description. So you can go and try any of these products that you want. Now, let's try one. There we go. Let's put it in the tip and wait. Where's my thing? I haven't broke it yet. Yeah, we're gonna do this. I'm just gonna take the tip out because normally it would be on your hand, right? And you would be. Let me put a glove on. We're gonna throw a glove on real quick because I just did my nails and I don't want to ruin what I have. It says it's acetone-free, but I'm not getting any lifting from it at all yet. Maybe I am not doing it right. Around and under the nail, wait, then gently lift the edge with the tool and then spray again. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we broke it. I'm gonna break the seal. It's slippery now. It is not breaking the seal down here though all the way. I'm ending up bending this nail really bad. Okay, so it's going, but it's not. It is not coming off very easily. I could be doing it wrong. Yeah, I'm gonna have to play with this some more, and maybe it's just because it's fake nail on fake nail that the bond is just too strong. maybe it really is only meant to work with natural nails because I cannot break it. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I will have to try this another time on real nails because it's not lifting from fake nail to fake nail. But you get the gist. I at least demonstrated how it's supposed to work. I got it to lift a little bit, but all right. So if you're interested in trying any of these products, be sure to check my description box. And thank you so much to Born Pretty. My link and discount code will also be in the description box. Born Pretty is freaking amazing. They're so generous and I love their products. So if you are interested, definitely get yourself some. This stuff is really, really cool. This was like one of the things that I was most excited about. But I mean, here, let me take this off. Oh, we just did that. But these two colors are so stinking cute. This is going to be really fun for sweater nails this winter. And this, like I said, it actually goes really well as like sand on a beach because of the chunks in it. It makes it look like seashells. I love it. And I'm gonna have to look and see if there's like a brown, because I'm just like seeing teddy bear with this. Like for my girls who are really, really, really talented at hand drawing, like Raven, oh my God, I know you could do something amazing with this. So, all right. That is all. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for being here and being a part of my channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. And yeah, I guess I will see you all in the next one. Bye.